Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sade. If you're new here, hello, hi. If you're not, then you already know what time it is. And from the title, you can probably already see that today we are putting up the Christmas tree and some Christmas decorations. I'm so excited. It's gonna take the full day, I can imagine. It's already 11:30 and you know, daylight savings, we're gonna run out of light by about 4 o'clock. We are gonna be moving some of the furniture because I wanna put the Christmas tree in the bay window. I'm so excited, like I've dreamed about this for years and years and years. So I'm so excited to see how that's gonna look in there. I've made myself a hot chocolate in my new little mug that I've thrifted from car boot the other day, giving me all the Christmas vibes. It's screaming vintage. I paid 50p for it. It's getting me right in the mood for Christmas. Grab yourself a hot drink and a snack, and I hope that you enjoy the video. I've got my gloves on. I always put these on when I'm doing the tree because it can actually really hurt your fingers and make them go all funny. My tree is from Balsam Hill. It was very kindly gifted for a review video on YouTube like 3 years ago. I think this is a 6-foot Norman fir tree from Balsam Hill with the lights pre-lit in it already. So yeah, I'll leave it linked down below, my specific one anyway, but feel free to go and have a look at their website. They're really good quality trees and I highly rate them. I'm gonna start assembling it. It comes in 3 parts and then it's put together, and then that's how the bulbs come on and how it works. Okay, we are fully fluffed. I don't know if you can see the difference, but between the before and after, but just taking the time to move all of the branches has made it look like it's much more dense than it is. And then all of the smaller gaps that you can see will be filled out by baubles. So yeah, you don't have to worry about it looking sparse. Now, the only thing is this year, I've just realised I need to make the back look just as nice as the front. Normally I just kind of throw all my baubles on the front and just be done with it, do half of the tree. But this year, because it's sitting in the window and you can see it from the outside, I'm gonna have to make sure to put some baubles on the back too. The next thing to do is to stick in all of these branches. These are also from Balsam Hill. They're like snow-covered twigs and glitter, like hessian and acorn. Are these acorns? I think these are acorns. They're definitely not acorns, but I've forgotten what they're called. And you should basically just stick these in the tree. Baubles. Got a mixture of big ones, small ones, medium ones. I like to start with the bigger ones and place them all around, especially to cover spaces that look quite sparse, I can still see through. So what I'll do is put one on, step back, have a look, and then I'll just keep doing that until I'm happy with how it all looks. And then all of the last trinkety bits kind of just fill up the rest of the tree. So we've got a little bit of a theme going on. It's very champagne, silvery, very light gold vibes. And then we've got a little bit of the rich reds going through. I would love one year to have a really traditional red and green filled Christmas tree. But for now, we're just using what we've got. Look at these colours. Almost like milky chocolates and golds, champagnes. They're all so pretty. You think the tree's got enough baubles on? I could perhaps do these ones just really deep. So occasionally I'll just like shove baubles just inside. I don't even bother hanging them. I just kind of like shove them deep inside the middle, and that helps to bulk the tree out, stop any of the gaps where you see right through, and in this case we're adding a little bit more colour. I'm not going to go so overboard that I make the tree look silly, but I do want to make sure that it feels full. This is how the Christmas tree is looking so far. I think it looks great. However, I do think it maybe needs ribbon. I usually put jute like running through. I have like these long strips of hessian that I just cut into long strips, and then I just kind of like place them throughout. But I think maybe this year I should have gone for a thick white or even a gold or a red. Oh, a deep red would have been so nice. Oh, I'm starting to wish that I should have done that. I did that now. I should have done that. I might have a look online tonight and see if I can top the tree off with that. But for now, I do like how this looks. One thing that I do every single year is just use a massive piece of hessian, and I literally just wrap it around the base of the tree. So this just kind of does me every single year. I am on the lookout for a tree skirt, so I'm hoping that maybe I do see one that I like the look of really soon, just as a cheap alternative, and so that I don't buy something that I'm going to waste. I've been using this old piece of hessian every single year, and I literally just drape it around the bottom of the tree. Let's get that plugged in. Are we ready? Oh, it's so pretty. That looks so magical. I actually can't even deal. I think I will maybe fiddle with a couple of the branches, but for the most part, now that the lights are on, I feel like it looks perfect. That is it for this video. I hope that you really enjoyed decorating the Christmas tree with me. I will leave everything that I used linked down below as long as it is still available, and make sure that you go and check out the next few videos that I have where we will be making the garland for the fireplace and making some wreaths as well. Make sure that you subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Take care guys, bye.
Making our Christmas memories.